everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday, February 12th, the day before my birthday. Yeah, you're wondering, Greg, where have you been? You didn't post this week until today. I know. I just have been busy. I came back from Fort Lauderdale, Wilton Manors on Monday. You know how you feel when you get back from the trip the next day. I had laundry, work-related stuff, and I felt a little jet lag, and it was only a 2.5-hour flight, but I just, with everything going on, I wanted to wait until today to just kind of give you the lowdown on everything. My trip to Wilton Manors was with my friend Rob. We had a really good time. Wilton's a lot of fun. Went out every day, went to some new places, saw some new people. I had a great time. Went to the ocean twice. It was a little cool. When we flew down on a Thursday, so a week ago, that Friday when we got up, it was a high of like in the upper 60s, and it was a little windy, but it was cold down by the ocean, but there were still people with their shirts off and everything, bikini shirts off and everything, on the beach. I'm like, oh Lord, I could, no thanks. It was too cold, but we went back on a Sunday and it was good. So ended up doing a few things. Went to a park and saw a manatee in the brackish water in the canal, and that was fun. So I enjoyed doing all that. It was good. So I'm back. Everybody thinks, oh, you're going to have big parties tomorrow and everything this weekend. No, not really. I'm meeting up with some really good friends tomorrow, and I am going to go see the musical The Outsiders tomorrow, thanks to my friend Rob. So thank you for your kindness and all of that, and I'll see my friends Scott and Jody as well tomorrow and Saturday for Valentine's Day. So, but that's what's happening. Dealing with a few stresses here in my life right now, just financially. Trying to overcome those with, and then some health care. My health insurance that I had has changed. They don't offer mine in that section anymore, so I had to do that. When I came home, I found out my personal care provider, my doctor, is leaving the practice April 1st, so I had to scramble to find a new doctor, which I did, but it's just a lot of stress and unnecessary kinds of things. So you only can do what you can do, correct? Right. So yeah, birthday is tomorrow, kind of a big one. Not saying my age. Some of you know. Some of you will not know. No, so I'm trying to be very positive about it, but everything is fine. I have a busy day ahead, so subscribe, like, and share. Be kind to one another. Say hello. I want to send my condolences to actually the first guy I ever dated, Steve Teets. He lost his husband horribly and passed away. Actually, I learned of his husband, Jeff, being in the hospital when I was in Florida. And when I arrived back to Chicago, the first message I got on my cell phone was that he had passed away. So Jeff had passed away, his husband. So my heartfelt condolences. I know they were together for 12 years. And I met Steve and Emily City back when I was in high school. Very, very good memories. So again, they're doing a GoFundMe to help Steve with a lot of the expenses of the funeral. So if you're following me on Facebook, hit me up. I put it on there. If you need more information, give me a message on here and I will send you that. Okay? Be a good human today. You'll hear from me on Monday. I'll give you the lowdown on how my birthday was. And I'm going to end this video with some pictures and video from Wilton Manors. And by the way, we watched the Super Bowl halftime outside of Hunter's on the big screen, and it was so empowering and wonderful. I just loved it. It gave voice to a lot of people that didn't have a voice and that are struggling. So you'll see some of that video here at the end. So I'll see you. Love you. Love you a long time. I'll talk to you soon.